Next, we're going to work the back, and we're going to just close the neckline here. And you can use some stay tape to keep this in form, but you do need to put the stay tape on with a little bit of tension in it, otherwise there's no point putting it on, and you're better off using interfacing. There you go. Now we can sew the neckline together. 1 centimeter seam allowance again. So you just about catch that stay tape. It's just a little bit wider. All the way around. Go very slowly, don't rush it. And with that done, we want to also clip the seam allowance and cut it back so that there's no tension when we turn it. Very important step. Clip, clip, clip. And now we can equally iron this shell into the lining at the neckline. So that makes it easier to do, because unless you're doing understitching, which I'm not doing because I'm doing a reversible vest, it's a really good step to do. Make sure you work out your seam so that it sits right in the top of it and you don't have accidentally any bits that are stuck in the seam. It's really easy to do if you don't iron it over or understitch. So take your time ironing the neckline the same as you did with the front. And now we're going to close the shoulder seams.